Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A6 gearbox. This simple procedure can enhance your driving experience by improving gear shift quality and responsiveness. Before starting, ensure your Audi A6 engine has reached its normal operating temperature. Also, please switch off all electrical accessories, such as the air conditioning and radio. This crucial preparation helps ensure a successful reset of your transmission's adaptive settings. Now, let's perform the reset. First, get into your Audi A6 and turn the ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see your dashboard lights illuminate. Next, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it there for a minimum of 15 seconds. This step is vital for the transmission control unit. After 15 seconds, release the accelerator pedal completely, but keep the ignition on. To finalize the reset, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Wait for at least 2 minutes before proceeding. This allows the system to fully power down and store the new settings. Once 2 minutes have passed, start your Audi A6 engine as you normally would. Drive your vehicle for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, experiencing various speeds and gear changes. During this period, the gearbox will adapt to your specific driving style, optimizing its performance. It's important to understand this reset clears the transmission's learned shift points, returning it to factory default settings. This can be helpful if you've noticed minor shifting irregularities or hesitation. While often effective, remember this procedure addresses software adaptations, not mechanical issues. If you don't observe an improvement after the first attempt, you can repeat the process. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive driving experience with your Audi A6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.